Hello guys, this is Claude from Drone Effects. I'm going to do something a little different today. I thought I'd do this. This is my wife's car obviously, and we got to replace the sensor on it, and it has a p2096 code, which means an oxygen sensor. It's from what they call a lean condition. So right here, if I can get this opened up, we'll be all set. This puppy opened up. They don't give these sensors away. This was $170 some for this one. But yeah, right here, we're going to replace this sensor on it, and they give you this sealant for it, so to help lubricate it actually. So we're going to be doing that here, and before I go getting too crazy, I want to verify a few things. Sure looks like the same connector. Sit that right there. I ordered, I'm sorry my back's to you right now, just released. Let me get a screwdriver. To release it. I'll set the camera up in here where you can see me when I get ready to do this here. There it was. Yep, same connector. Okay, we're all good. So we'll set the camera up here. So I'll be right with you, back with you in a second here. Hang tight. But if you look right down here, kind of dark, there's a sensor that plugs in there where my finger's at. And this is a wire. I'm going to be replacing the sensor. So just hang tight, and I'll get set up here so you guys can see. Okay guys, to save you some grief, this is the piece. What I ended up doing, I'm going to show you here to make it easier for you guys, is if you look down in there, it goes in right there in the manifold. I ended up taking the shield off, is the best way. So I pulled the shield off, and this is here, this is the piece. They don't give these sensors away, so be prepared if you got to change one of these out to spend a fair amount of money. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to be installing a new one, which I got sitting right up here, right here. Right here's the new one. I'll be installing that. Then I got to go inside and use my code scanner and make sure I clear the code. But they give you, where did I put it? I just put it here. It's here. Let's see here. Boy, I'm really organized now. So I didn't drop it. Yep, right there. Oh, okay. They give you this little stuff, copper coat basically. What we're going to do, peel that tip off. We're going to put it right on the threads. It goes on the thread just like so. All the way around on the threads. And this is a tool, by the way, you need to change the sensor right here. This is what, I'll thread this in there, then I'll use this thing here to tighten it up. And actually I was quite surprised. I thought I was really going to fight me, and I had a cheater bar sitting here, and it come right loose. So the engine is cold too. I didn't run it at all. I wanted to while you're working on exhaust, and I do want to have a cold engine. You know what I mean? Just thread it in there and get her plugged in. Then I got to go inside and take my little scanner and clear the code on it. Clear the code, then we'll be ready to go. I just got to put it all back together. There we go. Got her threaded in there now. Yeah, I'll bring you guys up here. You guys can see. But right down here, there it is. Yeah, just got to thread it in there. Like so. Then we take our magic tool here, right here. This has got a slot in it. You can see right there, there's a slot. So it fits around the wire. Then we'll put the tool in there. Then I'll put my ratchet on it. We'll give her a good old oomph. I'm going to use my other ratchet here. A flex head ratchet works good. Let's see here. Believe it or not, I got a camera. It's got a magnetic mount, and there's nothing magnetic on this car to whoop, I'm going the wrong way. Duh. Lefty loosey, righty tighty, everybody. There she is. She's tight. I got her back in. You can see it right there. It's installed. I'm sorry for my camera angles and stuff here, guys. I'm doing this all by myself. So what we do next is this wire here. Basically, we're going to plug in right here. Plugs in right there. Make sure you hear it snap in. Then what I got to do is I just got to put the shield on here. Then we'll go inside the car. So I'll be right back with you. As you can see, guys, I got the heat shield back in. It's really flexible aluminum, but it's bare just to get back tucked in there and all the bolts put in. So I got the heat shield in and everything else. So their next step would be go to the, I'm going to clean up my tools here in a second. So I got to start the motor up, and then we'll go in, we'll plug it into the scanner and see what's going on. Hang tight. Okay guys, what we're going to do now is, this is my code scanner right here. This is a really good one. This is Innova 320 RS, and it will let you erase codes as well as read them. I swear by it. It's the best money I ever spent. So we're going to plug it into the car right now, and on these rogues it's right in the center. This plugged in the right direction here. Just like that, we're plugged in, and it's already working. What we're going to do is we're going to hit the key on one position. We're gonna plus the rate. Okay, now we're gonna plug in, and obviously we got something coming up there. So let's see what this other code is. And hit erase again. Erase. Done. Should be all done. No codes. Just like that, we got her done. No check engine light showing on the dash or anything like that. So, like I say, this is the Innova 3020 RS. You can get it AutoZone. When I got this, they were like 50 bucks. I don't know what they are now, but it's the best thing you can put in your toolbox. Then it works great. And that code coming up here was for ABS for some reason, but I reset it and it's gone away now. So then we can go back to, it just shows me the codes and all that. So go to ABS, see there, it's gone. So we just hit erase again, done, no codes, reading, no codes, just like that. So that's how easy this scanner works. Like I say, I had a code coming up, the check engine light. I got her all figured out, and we got her done. So I hope you find this helpful. And if you do, leave me a comment, and I'll try to answer your questions about this scanner tool. It's well worth. Like I say, it's the Innova 3020 RS, and it's the only tool that I found so far that lets you erase the codes in the computer. So, and look how big it is. It's not that big. You can easily, I'm going to plug. I'll show you the other end. This is what you plug into your car, and it could easily, this whole unit could easily go right in your toolbox. So works quite well. And like I say, it's the Innova 3020 RS. And what this had the lean code come up, and I had to replace an oxygen sensor, and I replaced it, and it's fine now. So this is Drone Effects signing off, and I hope you find this useful, and I will see you on my next update. Bye bye, everybody.